Hi students, welcome to the next session of NEET Easy Physics. Yesterday we discussed some integration functions. Again we will write once integral 1 by x dx is going to be log x plus c. So if you differentiate this log x plus c, again you are going to get 1 by x dx. So derivative of log x plus c is going to be, derivative of log x is 1 by x, derivative of constant is 0. So 1 by x, don't forget to write this dx. So like this it is going to come. So today we are going to work on this between the limits. Yesterday we gave integral 1 by x square dx, that is going to be x power minus 2 dx, that is going to be x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So x power minus 3 by minus 3 plus c, isn't it? So now if they give between the limits for this, whenever they give between the limits 1 by x square dx between 0 to 2. So whenever they give limits, you don't need to write the constant. So therefore, we are going to write integral 0 to 2 x power minus 2 dx. So what is this one is going to become x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 between the limits 0 to 2. First, which limit we have to substitute? Upper limit. So 2 power minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by minus 1 minus, next we have to substitute 0 power minus 1 by minus 1. So now what is the final answer now? So this minus I am writing here. 2 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 2. So same like this, if they give integral 1 by x dx. So integral 1 by x dx between the limits 0 to 2, let us assume. Now what is integral 1 by x? I said log x. This is going to be log x. Logarithms, two types will be there. One is with base 10, one is with base e. Therefore, I am going to write ln log. Log means base 10, ln means base e. So integral 1 by x dx is log x between the limits 0 to 2. So we have to substitute first upper limit, log 2 minus log 0. So that is log 2. So what is log 2 value? We are going to write the 0.6030, like that we are going to write. So if they give between the limits, how to do? Between the limits a to b 1 by x dx. Between the limits a to b 1 by x dx. That is log x between the limits a to. First we have to substitute upper limit in this. Log b minus log a. So what is this log b minus log a in logarithms? Log b minus log a is log b by a, because we can write log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is log a by b. So where we are going to get this one in physics, this logarithm means in thermodynamics you will get this derivation. So 1 by v dv. Just for example I am saying here v is volume, volume is changing from v1 to v2. So what is 1 by v dv? Like 1 by x dx. This is going to be log x between the limits v1 to v2. So log v2 minus log v1 if you substitute. Then log a minus log b. Log a by b they are going to write. So how we are going to apply in physics derivation or problems? So this is mathematical concept in mathematics. So another formula will be there. Log AB. Log AB is log A plus log B. So log A by B. So log A minus log B. So these two formulas from mathematics. Next, integral dx. Integral dx is going to be x plus c. If it is integral dx between the limits a to b, at that time x between the limits a to b, first we have to substitute upper limit b minus a. So integral dx between the limits 2 to 3. Then what it is going to become means integral dx is x between the limits 2 to 3. 3 minus 2, it is going to be 1. Next, I told you yesterday integral sine theta. Integral sine theta is minus cos theta. So integral sine theta d theta they will give. Sine theta d theta minus cos theta. Whenever limits are not there, we will write plus c in mathematics. Okay, now see once how we are going to write integral sine ax. Before going to write integral sine ax, once we will recall derivative of sine ax. What we said derivative of sine ax in previous video means derivative of sine ax is cos ax and derivative of ax, that is going to be finally a cos ax dx. See here a we multiplied. Now in integration how we will write means this a is going to be derivative of sine ax is minus cos ax divided by a plus c we are going to write. So if this x is varying from, let us assume between the limits 0 to 2, then how we are going to write means, so sin ax is equal to minus cos ax by a between the limits 0 to 2. So at the time, so minus if you write outside, cos in place of x, cos 2a by a minus cos in place of x 0. A into 0 divided by a. So we came to know cos 0 value. Like that cos values we have to substitute later. Just I gave how to write 0 to 2. So whenever they give like this 0 to pi, 0 to pi by 2, like that they are going to get in physics problems. So this is about how lower limit, upper limit values can be substituted and calculated in mathematics, and how we are going to get in physics. So we discussed it today. So again we will meet in the next session. Thank you.